If you're in the need for a multi-purpose lubricant and rust inhibitor for your shop or your business, then what you want is the CRC 336. 336 creates a clear, thin, long-lasting film that lubricates and protects against wear and corrosion. It's a versatile, petroleum-based compound that lubricates, protects, displaces moisture, and cleans. 336 is a multi-purpose product that eliminates and displaces moisture, humidity, and chemicals from various metal tools, equipment, and fittings. Protect and lubricate expensive high-end precision tools like this indicator stand, angle plates, and this hand-scraped cast iron surface plate. Spray it on workpieces to protect against rust and corrosion. 336 is VOC compliant and it's also NSF H2 registered. 336 is a great product that I use every day around my shop. All of my bare metal surfaces like mill tables, vices, fixtures, precision tools, even freshly machined parts that I want to protect against oxidation before I ship them out, they all get coated down with CRC 336. It's an excellent product and I think you will enjoy having this around your workshop.